Are you ready to unleash the secret weapon that will skyrocket your fitness business? Well, get ready because I'm about to ask you a game-changing question. What if I told you there's a proven strategy that allows you to stay top of mind with your potential clients, builds a strong relationship with them, and effortlessly guides them towards becoming loyal clients? Sounds pretty intriguing, right? Today, I'm going to reveal the power of email nurture campaigns and how they can revolutionize your fitness business. Welcome back to my series on building a successful fitness marketing funnel. If you've been following along, you've already learned the power of a compelling one-liner, the secrets to designing a conversion-focused website, and how to create irresistible lead magnets. Now, get ready for the next game-changing step, and that's creating an email nurture campaign. Picture this. You've captured the email addresses of your potential clients through your lead magnet. Now, what do you do with that precious contact information? Well, that's where the magic of an email nurture campaign comes in. And today I'm going to show you why you should use email nurture campaigns and how to create a successful one that will take your fitness business to new heights. So, why should you use email nurture campaigns? It's pretty simple, really. Your potential clients are bombarded with information and distractions every day. But by crafting a series of strategic emails, you can cut through the noise, stay top of mind, and build a strong relationship with your audience. Now, let's dive into the steps to create a successful email nurture campaign. Remember, each email in your campaign should accomplish 4 key goals. First, your emails should solve a problem, identify the pain points your potential clients are facing, and provide valuable solutions, whether it's workout tips, nutritional advice, or mindset strategies. Show them the challenges they face and that you're here to help. Second, offer value. Share exclusive content, special discounts, or even access to member-only resources. Make your subscribers feel privileged and excited to be part of your community. Third, remind your readers that you have the solution to their health and fitness problems. Showcase your expertise, success stories from your clients, and of course testimonials. Let them know that you're the one who could guide them towards achieving their fitness goals. And finally, send prospects back to your website. Your website is your online headquarters, and that's where potential clients can learn more about you, about your business. They can book sessions and of course engage with your content. Use your emails to direct them to your website, inviting them to explore more of what you have to offer. That's the power of an email nurture campaign. By following these steps and crafting strategic emails, you'll create a powerful connection with your audience, nurturing them towards becoming loyal clients. Now, don't miss my next video where I'll delve into the importance of an email sales campaign. I'll show you the steps to build an effective campaign that converts your leads into paying clients. Click the link right here to watch. And please, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on the incredible strategies and insights I'll be sharing with you. Your fitness business is about to reach new heights, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.